Audi key fob battery replacement. So if you want to replace the battery on these keys, what you need to do is first to remove this, the top part, and to go to the battery, you have another button on the other side which you need to press, and after you can slide it out gently, just pry it off. After you can take off the battery. So you need the CR2032 for these ones, so you can purchase them on eBay or anywhere else. Try to buy a good battery, recommended Duracell, that will be the best, so you don't have any problems. To assemble the key fob back, first place the battery back on the, so it must be flat, and just slide it in. And when you hear the click sound, that means it's locked back in place. After, just slide the key back on and you're ready. If you press the buttons, you can see that a LED is flashing to let you know that the key is okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.